Hi, it's Kylee. You know, you might be feeling really small today, or you might be feeling really big. Either way, when we're together and we express ourselves through art, it's powerful. So what do you say? Will you join me? You will? Awesome. You know, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna make it. Come on.
Hi, it's me, Kylee, and these are my nieces and nephews, and here is an introduction montage.
Eddie! Eli! Izzy! Over! Yeah! Kylee! I'm back.
We are on a family vacation, so we're gonna do some family art. Is everyone ready?
Yeah!
Okay, get your paper, get situated, and now get up, we're going outside.
Okay.
We are making paper airplanes together. So we're starting with a lesson on aerodynamics. All right, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna put your arms out, so make sure you don't hit your neighbor. Ever, can you put your arms out? Big? Yes. And you're gonna make your hands flat like this. Okay, perfect. And now spin. Spin as fast as you can and notice what your hands feel like. Go the other way. Whoa. Woo! Do you feel the wind on your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Now, put your hands this way. Flat. So they slice through the air and spin again. Do you notice anything different?
Yeah.
Does the air feel like it goes faster? Is there less push?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all you need to know. Back to the table. Okay, so when your hand was flat, what did you feel? What was the difference between when your hand was flat and when your hand was sideways? You felt wind on your hand? Did you feel more wind when it was flat or sideways?
Flat.
More wind when it was flat. Okay, that's aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is how things move through the air, and it's how airplanes work. We need to know this because we're making airplanes. Okay, start with your paper vertically, up and down long. We are gonna fold it in half. So you're gonna bring one side over to the other side and make a crease. So over like this, have them meet up. And to make it as aerodynamic as possible, we are going to fold it really good. Helps if you make the noise, try it. Yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, now turn it back up and down like this. Great, and open it up. That crease that we just made is going to be our guideline for our next fold. So you're gonna take your two top corners and fold them down to meet the middle line. So it'll end up with kind of an arrow shape. Okay, so we're gonna end up with this kind of shape, and again, we're gonna do a good crease. You gotta make the sound. Perfect, all right. Now, we're going to do the same thing. So point it up, up, up like this. We're gonna bring these sides, this time, the top of our triangles, into the middle fold. So this to this on both sides. When we do the same thing on both sides, it's called symmetrical. So we're gonna end up with kind of a skinnier arrow or a Christmas tree. Okay, now you're just gonna fold it in half, right along that middle line. Sound effects very important, Oliver? Yes, okay. Okay, so it's already looking like an airplane, right? What are we missing?
Wings.
wings. You're totally right. So you see how you have two parts? You're gonna fold each of these down to meet the bottom on either side. I'll help you, hold on 1 second. So you're gonna basically go like this. Fold it down to meet the sideline, like that. Flip it and do that on the other side. Again, symmetrical. The shape of the wings and the body of the plane matters because there's 4 things that you need to have in balance when you're making an airplane. So there's the thrust of the plane, which is what makes it go forward. So practice this. Now in the plane you're gonna take home, that's the engine. But in these planes, it's your arm engine. Okay, so that's the thrust. That's one of the forces. Then another force is the resistance of the wind or the drag. So when you're pushing it through air, your thrust is pushing it forward, but the air is pushing on it too. And I know it feels like air's not anything, but you can feel it when you go like this, right? Okay, that's what you were feeling. When your hand was like this, you were feeling the drag of your hand, and that's the wind. So you're pushing it forward, but the wind, the air is pushing it backwards, okay? So you have thrust and you have drag, okay? Then what makes something go like this? Do you know what the name of that force is? Gravity. Okay, so then we have a force that's going down called gravity. And then what is very important about an airplane that you think makes it stay up? Wind and wings. Okay, the force that's making it go up.
The real airplane, it won't. But if you're playing with the real airplane, you can't blow it.
You're right, because it has an engine. Yeah, so the thrust in a real airplane is its engine. You're saying that you would make a thrust with, you would blow your airplane?
Yeah.
Oh, totally works. Love it. And lift is how the air is moving under and over the wings. And this really happens in a real...
What?
Are you having a rocket launch right now? You're making lift by making the air on top of your wings go faster than the air underneath your wings. Okay, quiz. What is the force that makes the airplane go forward? In a real airplane, it's an engine.
Oh.
In our airplane's thrust. What's the force that's going to slow your airplane down because it's pushing drag? Gravity, what's gravity? Uh-huh. And then what's the force that's gonna help our airplane stay up? Lift. Yeah, okay, so the way that our airplane works is to balance all of those. Okay? And the way that we make our airplane do tricks and do different things is to play with the balance of all of those. So, first, you know we're gonna decorate these. Then we're going to take them to a testing ground where we're going to do some flying and see if we can play with all the forces to get them to do some really cool things. We are done, I think, decorating.
Yep.
So now is a very, very, very important part. I need to know what the name of your aircraft is. Izzy.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I see your inspiration. And it kind of matches your shirt.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, you coordinated. Eli?
Mine is called Blue Steel.
Blue Steel. What was the inspiration behind that?
Jeff.
Uncle Jeff. Uncle Jeff. Okay. Oliver, what's yours named?
The flamethrower.
Yes, I can see the inspiration. I bet that's gonna go fast. What if it went so fast it spontaneously combusted and became a flamethrower? What would your reaction be? Can you do it for us right now? I know. That's very similar to what ours would be. And last but not least, Addie.
This is Smiley.
Oh, why did you name it that?
Because there are smiley faces on it.
Yes. And this is called Topanga. I've named this plane Topanga. Just now, no forethought on that one. Okay, should we go fly these babies?
Yeah.
Let's go. We're here with our airplanes and we're ready to fly. We are going to fly these a couple different ways, playing with the forces with, does anyone remember a force?
Gravity.
Gravity. Drag. Lift. Thrust. Yes, we are going to play with all those things to see what the changes are. So the first thing we're going to do is just fly them just like this. Let's get in the line. All right, I'll go first just to, set the example. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go Topanga! All right, Daxie, your turn. Woo! Flamethrower. Whoa, spinner. Cool. Is, yes. Blue steel. Oh! Okay, everybody go find your plane. Okay, back to the line. We're gonna unfold this a little bit, just like that. And then you're gonna fold the tip of your plane up and then fold it in half again. That puts a little more weight at the front of your plane, and we're gonna see what changes about how this flies when we do that. Okay, so open it up, fold this part up, and then fold it back in half. Okay, what do we think is gonna happen?
I think it'll go slower.
You think it'll go slower?
I think it'll go higher.
Higher?
I think it's gonna drop to the ground faster.
Okay, these are all good. Let's see what happens. We have some hypotheses. Oh! What happened different, Dax? Yeah, it drifted a little bit more, didn't it? Okay, ready? I'll try it. Oh! Whoa, cool. The wind is pushing, so there's more resistance. Whoa! All right, Izzy, let's see it. Izzy, yes. Go get your plane and we'll make another change. Let's fold them both up and see what happens. So this, remember when we had our hands like this versus like this? Which caught more wind, when it was flat or?
Flat.
Okay, so basically what we're doing is we're putting a big hand right at the end of our plane. So when the air comes and pushes, it's gonna catch on those little wings and go, we hope. Oh, nope, that didn't work. Does that oh, Izzy!
That was so cool.
Did yours do it?
Yeah.
Whoa, Smiley! Smiley's coming for me. Okay, all right. Now, if we bend one up and one down, let's think about it. The air will push here and here and hopefully spin. Yeah! Oh! Woo!
Whoa, that was.
Now that we have some basic ideas about how planes work and how we can try to make them do different things, how would you guys feel about just trying some airplane trick shots?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Oh! Woo! Nice. Oh no, Smiley! Nice. We have saved our most epic, trick shot for the very end. We're up here on the balcony, and down there is the pool. Please note the different targets. Hot dog, worth 1 point. Inflatable basketball hoop, that's how many? 2 points. And the green inner tube is worth 3 points. Oh! All right, Oliver! Oh! Right on the step. Addy! Oh! All right, Eli. Go. Oh! Well. Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, try it again.
He's gonna get in the hot tub.
You think so?
Oh! Closest so far.
Oh.
Grandpa!
Oh! Oliver!
Yeah!
Good job, buddy.
That ended well. Let's go jump in that pool.
Want to hang out some more? You know I do. Just search for Kylee Makes It. K-Y-L-E. That's me.
And that's me.
See you next time.